If you offer summer camp or similar programs at your school, you're probably on the lookout for an online solution to manage registrations. Any Gradelink website packages that include the option for custom-built online forms come with the option to have our design team design summer camp or field trip registration forms for your school. The custom registration forms include options for registrants to submit relevant items such as contact information, permission forms, liability waivers, medical information, and emergency contacts, as well as many other items. Registrants will be able to select specific days, weeks, or programs to register for, and also securely pay for their registrations all through one form. The form can be set up to hide questions that are not relevant to certain categories of students, such as preschoolers. For example, if there's a question or a waiver that is only required for preschoolers, it can be set so that the specific question only shows if preschool is selected on a previous question for current or entering grade level. In addition, registration information can be automatically synced to Google Sheets, which would allow you to easily track program registrations. There is even a feature to limit the number of registrations for both the entire summer program and automatically disable the form once the cap has been reached, or to close a specific day or week once the maximum registration limit has been reached. This summer camp registration or custom online form replaces the need for third-party apps such as Google Forms or Jot Forms, and thus reduces the number of logins you need, as well as cutting any extra costs.